Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open XTB trading account absolutely free. You can create an account using your mobile or laptop. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open new tab here and just type here XTB trading, enter. I'm putting this link in video description as well. Look, this is a European trading account. You just simply click here. This is a website of the XTB trading account. So here options are available. You can see here I select the demo one for the creating perspective. So simply I add my Gmail address here, Gmail address, your country, and then submit. I add my name here, mobile number, and set a password, submit. Thank you for registration XTB. Every client XTB assigned a personal account managed to provide assistance will be contact you soon, offer support. You can do same process and create your account within a 24 hours. Customer care are calling you Monday to Friday in between, and they are providing you all detailed information how to create properly XTB European trading account, and you create this European trading account and invest your money. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.